Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best bread maker machine. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. 2LB Bread Maker Machine. Asapoto 17-in-1 Automatic Stainless Steel Bread Machine, Nonstick, beginner-friendly controls, 15-hour timer, easy to clean, low noise, high success rate for homemade bread. Color, silver. Wattage, 600 watts. Brand, Asapoto. Product care instructions, hand wash only. Perfect for beginner. Whether you're just starting your baking journey or looking for an easy way to enjoy fresh bread at home, this automatic bread maker has you covered. Simply add the ingredients, select a menu, and let it do the rest from kneading to baking. No experience needed, just effortless homemade bread every time. 17 customizable programs. Our bread machine features 17 customized automatic programs to fit all your baking needs and preferences. Whether you're making a basic loaf, cake, whole wheat, jam, yogurt, or gluten-free bread, it's designed to give you perfect results every time. Large 2LB capacity for the whole family. With a large 2LB capacity, this bread maker allows you to bake larger loaves, making it perfect for families or gatherings. It also offers 3 loaf sizes, 1LB, 1.5LB, 2LB, and 3 crust settings, light, medium, and dark, for a fully customizable baking experience. 600W high power and low noise. Enjoy perfectly baked bread with 360 degrees even heat distribution for a golden, crispy crust and soft, fluffy interior every time. The powerful 600W motor ensures fast and efficient baking, allowing you to enjoy fresh bread quickly. With its quiet operation at just 50 decibels, you can enjoy freshly baked bread without disturbing your sleep. 15-hour delay timer and keep warm. Set the timer up to 15 hours in advance for fresh bread waiting for you in the morning or after a long day. The keep warm function ensures your bread stays at the perfect temperature for up to an hour after baking. Number 2. 25-in-1 Bread Maker Machine. With automatic dual dispenser, 2LB stainless steel bread maker with gluten-free, dough, jam, yogurt, etc. settings. Color, silver. Wattage, 650 watts. Brand, Coviet. Product care instructions, hand wash only. Customized your ideal loaf. Customize your bread with 25 baking options like whole wheat, gluten-free, cake, and jam. Choose loaf sizes, 1/1.5/2LB, and crust color, light, medium, dark, to create bakery quality bread right in your kitchen. Individual dual dispensers. Our automatic ingredients dispenser, guided by adaptive temperature control, releases ingredients at the optimal time, ensuring high baking success. Built for convenience and durability, the thickened stainless steel body ensures durability, while the non-stick bread pan made of premium materials, offering superior heat conductivity for even baking and enhancing the Maillard reaction, also allows for easier cleaning. Superior convection bread maker. Machines by moving heated air around the bread, the cooking process will be more even and balanced. And with the 650W powerful low noise brushless motor maintains consistent performance, quiet and efficient. Wake up to fresh bread. Prep ingredients the night before and wake up to warm, fresh bread with the 13-hour delay timer. The 1-hour keep warm feature maintains freshness, while 10 minutes power off protection ensures baking resumes seamlessly after power is restored. Number 3. Cuisinart Bread Maker Machine. Compact and automatic, customizable settings, up to 2 pounds loaves. Color, silver, black. Product dimensions, 10.25-inch DX 11.25 WX 13.25H. Wattage, 550 watts. Brand, Cuisinart. Product care instructions, hand wash only. Item weight, 10.8 pounds. Material, plastic, stainless steel. Capacity, 2 pounds. Cuisinart quality technology promises superior crust, color and texture. UC cubic feet, 1.180, MC cubic feet, 1.350. MC cubic feet, 1.350, MC cubic feet, 1.350. 12 pre-programmed menu options, fully automatic, easy to use. 3 crust shades, light, medium, or dark, and bakes up to a 2-pound loaf. Vertical baking pan for counter-friendly compact design, removable kneading paddle and bread pan. Lid with viewing window to monitor the process, interior light to check bread as it bakes. Number 4. Elite Gourmet EBM 8103B Programmable Bread Maker Machine. 3 loaf sizes, 19 menu functions, gluten-free white wheat, rye, French and more, 2 pounds. Brand, Elite Gourmet. Product care instructions: dishwasher safe. Making fresh artisan breads right at home is now foolproof and automatic. The Elite Gourmet Bread Maker does the kneading, rising, and baking for you. Bake up to a 2 lb loaf of bread. With 3 different settings for a 1 pound, 1.5 lb, or 2 pounds loaf of fresh bread. Includes 19 programmed preset menu for a variety of different types of doughs from basic white bread to even pizza dough. Includes 19 programmed preset menu for a variety of different types of doughs from basic white bread to even pizza dough. 15-hour delay timer and a 60-minute keep warm function allows you to control your baking to the max. Free up the oven and save on power. Reduce the heat in your kitchen and less washing of different cooking implements. Trusted brand. As a trusted brand for 40 years, Elite Gourmet has delivered high-quality and stylish kitchen products that are affordable and user-friendly. Call, email, or live chat with us. Our US-based support team responds quickly to all inquiries. Number 5. EUHOMY Bread Maker Machine. 13 program 2 lb bread maker, bread machine with 3 loaf sizes and 3 crust colors, bread maker with fruit and nut dispenser, ideal for family gifts, gluten-free. See, enjoy effortless cooking with our 13-in-1 bread maker machine. Simply add the ingredients, select a program, and let the bread maker do the rest, from kneading to baking. While with a large 2 lb capacity, this toaster can toast larger loaves of bread, making it perfect for family or party use. It also offers 3 loaf sizes, 1 lb, 1.5 lb, and 2 lb, and 3 crust settings, light, medium, and dark. Also, our fruit and nut dispenser can release the ingredients at the finest time and distribute the ingredients inside the bread, giving your family completely personalized baking experience. Our bread maker machine is able to make basic bread, dough, whole wheat bread, French bread, yogurt, jam. You can also search for recipes online to make bread through our automatic bread makers program. For example, it can make gluten-free bread or buttered bread by simply adapting the basic mode. Additionally, our machine can make pizza dough and pasta dough by using the dough mode. And our jam mode can also make different kinds of jams. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.